If you don't want your dog to jump, bend down to their height. So take them for a smell walk to exercise those noses. A dog's misbehavior is a chance.
In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of dogs and how they experience life differently from us humans. We will learn from Alexandra Horowitz, a cognitive scientist who studies behavior and cognition of dogs. She is the author of several books, including Inside of a Dog and The Year of the Puppy. She is also the founder of the Dog Cognition Lab at Barnard College. In her TED Talk, Horowitz shares some surprising insights into how dogs communicate, perceive, and learn. She challenges some common assumptions and myths about dogs and shows us how we can better understand and appreciate our canine companions. She also gives us some practical tips on how to raise happy dogs and have a satisfying relationship with them. Firstly, what we call misbehavior in dogs is not really misbehavior. It is communication, information gathering, surprise, excitement, boredom, or a reflection of their stage of life. Dogs are not born knowing our rules or expectations. They have different ways of expressing themselves and exploring the world. They also have different needs and preferences depending on their age and personality. The second point is that what we see as dog misbehavior is often our own fault. We have not conveyed to the dog what matters to us in a way that they can understand. We have also not designed the environment to suit their needs and abilities. We expect them to adapt to our human society without giving them enough time, guidance, or stimulation. The talk also gives some examples and tips on how to interpret and respond to their behavior in a more positive and effective way. For instance, barking at a guest is not rude, it is a way of telling us that someone is here. We can acknowledge their communication and calm them down. Sniffing us closely is not impolite. It is a way of looking at us and finding out about us. Dogs see the world through their noses and can detect many things that we can't. We can let them sniff and take them for smell walks to exercise their noses. Chasing a bike or jumping on us is not disobedient. It is a glimpse into their evolutionary history and ancestry. Dogs have inherited some instincts and behaviors from wolves, such as chasing prey or licking faces in greeting. We can stop the bike to stop the chase or bend down to their height to avoid jumping. Eating their own poop or smelling our breath is not disgusting. It is a way of getting nutrients or information. Dogs can smell things that we can't, such as health conditions or food preferences. We can check with our vet if they have any dietary deficiencies or health issues. The talk concludes by encouraging us to see our behavior as a chance to learn about this alien creature that we live with. When we see their communications, we can listen. When we see what they perceive, we can bring ourselves closer to dogness. In the end, we will have a better relationship with our dogs and make them happier. We should observe our dogs more closely and notice how they use their senses, especially their noses, to explore the world. Provide our dogs with more opportunities to use their natural abilities and instincts, such as sniffing, tracking, playing, and socializing. Avoid punishing our dogs for behaviors that are not bad or disobedient, but rather expressions of their curiosity, excitement, or boredom. Learn more about the science of canine cognition and how dogs develop their personalities and skills over time. Appreciate our dogs as individuals and respect their preferences, emotions, and needs. If you want to watch the full TED Talk by Alexandra Horowitz, you can find the link in the description below. If you enjoy this form of content where I recall and illustrate the most interesting and inspiring speeches of all time, you'll probably want to check this video next.